You're the best.
Everyone. I just performed surgery. This is my scalpel. And this was my assistant. This didn't work so well. So I had to use this. This got that out. You see how thick that crap is? I got it from Ruthie. Ruthie was deaf for a couple of days. Let me tell you.
Couple of days, months, man.
Ruthie was deaf, guys. Look at her now. She's excited because she can hear.
I don't know if this is a good thing.
Ruthie, you scared that you hear too loud?
Exactly. I feel You know, like when you, I hear echo in my ear right now.
Ruthie, guys, I am Dr. Tara.
Can I come?
Wait, I just want to tell you guys that this is gonna make me famous, okay? Okay, and this is my brother. He witnessed the whole thing.
I didn't actually. I wouldn't film you.
Okay, so
Wait, Gilbert. Wait. Okay, so I was just.